In this video, I'll show you how you can edit your automatically created videos in the Vocal Video Editor. Once your subject responds, you'll get an email to log back in and take a look at the video draft that Vocal Video has created for you. To get to that response, you'll just click on Videos, narrow it down to the draft videos, and pick out the video that you want to work on. So the first thing I always like to do is watch the video that Vocal Video has created. This will include these graphics. Each question becomes a slide in the video, and you'll see that we've taken the attribution and turned it into the lower thirds here. Subtitles are also all automatically created. Over here on the left, you can see all of the scenes as well as the thumbnail that Vocal Video has created for you. Here you can edit scene settings, duplicate a scene, or delete it altogether. Once you've run through the whole video, you can go ahead and choose what theme you'd like. This is the look and feel of the video, and you can see the changes that makes over here on the left. We can take a look at the format. So often folks are creating different versions of their videos for different channels. Here your color palette can be adjusted and all of the colors that are associated with your different scenes. These are pulling from your default video settings that you can always adjust so that all the new videos will be on brand. We can adjust all of the fonts for the different parts of the video, add your different logos, or turn off the corner logo altogether. And it's important to look through the subtitles to make any edits to the automatically created subtitles. You can also turn off subtitles altogether. You can sample some of the music that we have fully licensed, or you can upload your own. Here. Now let's look at how you can edit each scene that appears in your video. So if you click on that scene, you can see that one of the most important things is this drag and drop functionality to trim the video. Often there's 15-20 great seconds to pull out. We can change the style, so we can convert it from video to audio. We can add a filter to the scene, change any of the colors that appear, and also adjust the timing. So this is important if you're trimming down video. Sometimes you'll want to add a pause at the start and end of the video. Here we can adjust the attribution. So this is pulling from what your subject actually wrote into that box in the video collector. And we can edit the background of all of the scenes here. So here we have some automatically created backgrounds, and you can also upload your own. Here you can see some motion has been applied in the theme, which gives it some more visual interest. One really common question is whether you can add any additional scenes. So if you scroll down here, you can see that you can add any video that you've collected from other subjects. You can also add audio scenes, different text and logo scenes, and you can upload a video clip that you've gathered outside of Vocal Video. One of my favorite things I see customers do are create these highlight reels where they're pulling maybe the best 20 or 30 seconds from each respondent and making really engaging short form videos that way. Now it's time to publish our video, so we can give it a different title. You can give it a nickname for the internal title. You can update the URL that'll appear for your video page. And this is really important. You can choose what visibility you'd like. So whether you'd like it to be a public URL, totally unlisted, or a private video that doesn't have a video page at all. And there are some options for the audio processing as well. By default, we'll turn on this fade out music at the end and normalizing speech loudness. Then it's time to publish your video. And you'll see some options for selecting a featured quote while it's being published. This is useful when you're actually going to embed your video in galleries and individually on your website. And that's it. We'll send you a note when your video is done publishing, and you'll be able to easily grab the embed code to share on your website. You'll be able to create galleries of your published videos, and you'll also be able to download the video and use it wherever you'd like. Check out our Help Center for more on how you can actually share and embed your new videos. Please reach out if you have any questions at all. support@vocalvideo.com.